Alright, so I was deciding on which one to bring outside. And since it's about the same FPS, I'm gonna bring this one out because it's a little higher. And you know, it's a little better. Cause this is DSG build. I always bring that out. So I'm gonna use this in a P90 and my air rifle. When we shooting some stuff, I'm gonna show what it is so I get outside. Pretty cold outside, it's like under 10 degrees. So put this one back. And that's it. I'm gonna bring the P90. I'm gonna bring the P90 out. It's 400 and something. Like 450. No, 400 flat. Cause I have an M130 spring in here. Then I'm gonna bring out this one. This is recently sighted in. I always use that one, so I want to use this and change it up a little bit. But I want to make this video kind of quick. I don't want to freeze out there. And now I'm gonna be outside. Alright, so I'm out here. It's quite cold. That pumpkin is for another video. So it's gonna be these two things and this thing up here that says flowers and gardening. I just gotta find my magazine. Also, I have to switch to the honey badger because I have this like adjust the motor height or something, and it was taking too long in the other gun. So I'm gonna just use this instead. Everything's already together. And here, hope my Mosfet doesn't break since it's like 7 degrees out here. Seeing some dents. That's not good. I think something's burning. Yeah, something's burning. It's like the wiring is burning, so that's cooked already. I don't know what happened. But it's on my P90. And it just left some dents in it. This is 330 FPS. I'm gonna just take this off. It actually smells like it's burning. Unless I think it's a spring. I mean a wiring. I don't know. It don't smell too good. Maybe it's because I add that stronger spring in there. I don't know. Unless the battery can't keep up. You don't know. This was even on straight. I just see bigger dents, so I'm moving on to the next gun. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, they're not going in. Oh, well, those started to go through, but I can feel it's pretty strong. Oh, I also wanted to shoot that, see what will happen. It's pretty durable. It broke right there. But I was shooting it all around. You know, they were just coming right back off. So, get the air rifle out. At least this was able to endure. I don't know what happened to that. Shooting at this thing, and that's the hole right there. That's the exit, and they hit the car too. Oh wow! So that car's pretty strong. I'm gonna do a few more, then I'm gonna just go in the house. Too cold. I'll just continue this video another day. Might just combine this, I don't know yet. That's crazy that this thing stopped working like that. Oh yeah, that's not good. I think the Mosfet is dead. So you either die to cold air or that spring. Oh yeah, it's definitely dead. I could smell it inside. Well, I'm gonna just do a few more shots and call it quits. Dang, this is frozen on here. Wow. Okay, right there, and out that, and I don't think it went all the way through. No, it didn't. Pellet right there, but I'm not gonna grab that. But that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Once I go inside to figure out what happened to that gun, I'll probably add it to this video or something, I don't know. Alright, so I took the gun apart. Everything's all apart. I noticed this might be the issue. I don't know what really happened, but everything smells horrible. And that might be the issue. I don't know what happened or how that really happened, but I'm gonna take it apart fully and see. I do have an extra one, but that extra one is burnt out as well. And I might just go in for a Leviathan or a gate. Something. Alright, so I got it out. Can't really tell what really happened to it. Not just yet. I noticed down right there. Looks a little weird, but I don't know. Oh, something definitely happened right there. Same spot where the little weird issue on the back is that. So it's probably is done for. But I do have one more thing to try. I have my other one. I really don't know what happens to what was wrong with the other one. But I'm pretty sure the bottom board isn't looking like that on the back. So I'm gonna try that. All right, so this is the better looking one. So that little yellow spot. I'm trying to get it to focus. That little yellow spot right there. It's definitely not on here. And the backs definitely don't look the same. So I'm gonna try and see if I get a response with those two. With this top from this messed up one on here, I'm gonna plug the battery up and like put it inside, I guess, I don't know. I'm gonna see if I get like a beep or something at least. All right, so this is definitely broken. I can't even use this no more. I tried both of the top pieces and got no beeps from it. And both top pieces worked and got a beep on the better one. So I have it in the storage, but I'm gonna use the one that's not bent. I'm gonna use the other one from the burnt Mosfet that really recently happened. So I think this is the one that's bent a little bit. Whatever one it is, I'm gonna not use that. So I'm gonna put this one in and use that, and I'm gonna see what happens when we put it all together. I'm gonna just put it like, I'm not gonna put it in the lower receiver, just use the motor grip and a gearbox and see. All right, so I plugged the battery in. I got a 7.4 battery in here, a way weaker spring, just in case. So I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Yeah, so. I guess it does. So, put that back together. I won't be using that big spring no more. I'm gonna try to find the normal spring I had in there. I don't know why it sounds so horrible now, but it's probably really tight. I don't know, but I'm glad that worked out. But I definitely need to give me like something way more expensive, like the Parent Hybrid, because I know for sure the Parent Hybrid when they did that to me. And plus, I've already seen videos of it, the Mosfet being in the freezer, being completely frozen and all that. It's still working perfectly fine. Waterboarded and all that, so that might be what I get or something else.